Hello, everyone, and welcome back to United States English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily, and I'm very happy you're here today.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful friends listening at home. It's a beautiful day to practice English together.
Yes, it is. It's always a good day to learn something new. How are you today, Adam?
I'm doing well, thank you, Emily. I'm happy, but to be honest, I'm a little tired today.
Tired already? That sounds serious. Why are you tired?
I didn't stay up late, but my kids woke up very early this morning. They have a lot of energy, especially in the morning.
I understand that very well. Children seem to have unlimited energy, and that actually brings us to today's topic.
Exactly. Today we're talking about daily routine at home with kids. We'll talk about the morning, the afternoon, and the night.
This topic is very useful. Many of our listeners are parents, or they take care of younger brothers, sisters, nieces, or nephews.
Yes, and we'll share simple vocabulary and natural sentences you can use every day at home.
Before we start, we have a small request for our listeners.
If you enjoy our podcast, please like this episode and subscribe to United States English channel. It really helps us.
And don't forget to share this episode with your friends or family members, especially parents. Okay, Adam, let's start at the beginning of the day, the morning.
The morning, the start of the rush.
Let's call it the morning routine.
Fair enough. My morning starts at 6 a.m.
That's very early. Do you use an alarm clock?
No, I don't need one. My children are my alarm clock. My son comes into my room and says, "Dad, wake up, I'm hungry."
That's a very effective alarm clock. So the first thing you do is wake up and get out of bed.
Yes, then we go to the kitchen to make breakfast. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day.
What do your kids usually eat for breakfast?
Most days they eat cereal with milk. Sometimes they ask for pancakes, but pancakes take more time.
And they can make a mess.
Yes, a big mess. A mess means things are dirty or not organized, like milk on the table or cereal on the floor.
That's a useful word. So after breakfast, what happens next?
Next is getting dressed, and that is often the hardest part.
Why is getting dressed so difficult?
My daughter can never find her socks. Every morning, one sock is missing.
The mystery of the lost socks.
Exactly. We look under the bed, behind the sofa, and finally we find them.
Then it's time to put on shoes.
Yes, and sometimes the kids put the left shoe on the right foot.
That's cute, but not comfortable.
Not at all. After that, we brush our teeth.
Brushing teeth is very important. Do your kids like it?
Not really, so we make it fun. We sing a song while brushing.
That's a great tip for parents.
Then we grab our school bags and go to the car. That's the school run.
You take them to school.
Yes, I say, "Have a good day, be kind," and they run inside.
And then the house is quiet.
Very quiet. Sometimes I go to work and sometimes I go back home to clean.
Let's talk about the house routine. Even when kids are at school, there's a lot to do.
That's true. We have chores.
Chores are small jobs we do in the house, like washing dishes or cleaning.
With kids, there are always dishes to wash and clothes to clean.
Doing the laundry means washing clothes.
Yes, and kids make a lot of laundry. Dirty shirts, dirty socks, everything is dirty.
And toys.
Toys are everywhere, in the living room, in the kitchen, sometimes even in the bathroom.
So you have to tidy up.
Yes, tidy up means to clean and put things in the correct place. I tell my kids, please tidy up your toys.
Do they listen?
Sometimes. Usually, we tidy up together and sing a song.
You really turn everything into a game.
It helps a lot.
Let's move to the afternoon, when the kids come home from school.
They're usually tired and hungry.
So the first thing is a snack.
Yes, a small snack like an apple, a banana, or some crackers.
And after the snack comes homework.
Homework can be difficult. Sometimes my kids say, I don't want to do homework.
Many children feel that way.
I tell them, first homework, then play.
That's a good rule.
After homework, they play. They go outside, ride their bikes, or watch a little TV.
Playtime is important. It helps children relax.
And it gives me time to cook dinner.
Cooking dinner for a family is a big job.
It is. I try to cook healthy food. Chicken, rice, and vegetables.
Do your kids like vegetables?
Sometimes. My son likes carrots, but my daughter doesn't like green vegetables.
Many kids don't.
I hide vegetables in the sauce. They don't notice.
Very smart.
We sit together at the table and eat dinner as a family.
Family dinner is a great habit.
We talk and laugh. I ask, how was school today?
After dinner, is it time to rest?
Not yet. It's time for the bedtime routine.
A very important part of the day.
First, it's bath time. Water, soap, and bubbles.
Kids love bath time.
Then they put on their pajamas.
Pajamas are clothes for sleeping.
Yes, and we brush our teeth again.
Morning and night. Very good.
Then we go to the bedroom. The lights are low and it's quiet.
Do you read a story?
Yes, story time is my favorite part. I read books about animals or adventures.
Reading is a great way to learn English.
After the story, I say goodnight and turn off the light.
And the kids fall asleep.
Usually, sometimes they ask for one more story.
That happens everywhere. Let's review some words we used today.
Wake up, breakfast, get dressed, socks, shoes, and school run.
Chores, laundry, tidy up, homework, snack, and dinner.
Bath time, pajamas, story time, and bedtime routine.
These are words you can use every day.
You can practice by talking about your own routine
Even speaking to yourself is good practice.
or to your pet.
Thank you for listening today. We hope you learned something useful.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share United States English channel.
Have a wonderful and organized day.
Good luck with your routine. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next time.